Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, are you thinking about investing into crypto, investing your money, right? Buying maybe Bitcoin or Ethereum, or investing into some altcoins or meme coins or any type of cryptocurrency at all? Then this video is very important to watch because you need to do your research to invest wisely and take calculated risks. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to analyze and research cryptocurrencies before you invest money into them, so you don't invest in the wrong project, you don't lose your money, and so on and so forth. If you like this video or similar videos like this, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell to get notified anytime I drop a new video about all things crypto. We talk all things crypto on this channel, and let's jump right into the video. So number one, the first way to analyze and research about a project is to understand the project. First thing to do is to understand the project. So what is this project about? What are they trying to build? What is their use case? What is the white paper? What are they talking about, right? So what is this project? Who are the people in charge? Who are the developers? Who is the team behind it? Who are the community? Who are the investors? What is this project all about basically? So you need to have at least a good knowledge or a good understanding about the project you're about to invest into before you invest into them. Number two is to analyze the market of the project. So analyze the market, check the if it has been listed already, check the market trends, check how it has been moving. If the project is related to, let's say, AI, for example, now we know that AI is a big narrative, everybody's talking about AI. So you know that okay, this project has good prospects. So you check the market for AI, you check how AI projects are doing, you check the news about AI, whether they are good news, promising news about AI, right? Just basically check the market trends, what people are talking about, what the market is saying about the project or about the industry that the project is in. Number three is to research about the team. This one is a big one. Who are those behind the project, right? Who is the founder? Who is the co-founder of the project? Who are the advisors? Who is the developer? Okay, number one, they must be people that are out there. If you want one way to quickly notice or identify a scam project, right, is you see that they don't show their face. You don't know who are the team behind them. You don't know who is the founder, right? So you know that if you see a project that you can't find the founder, you can't find the social media handle of the founder, you can't find the full name, the picture of the founder, just know that this project is high probability of being a scam project. But if you on a good normal project, like now we all know the founder of Ethereum is Vitalik. We know the founder of Bitcoin, sorry, of Binance BNB. We know is CZ Binance, right? We know the founder of Ton is Pavel Durov. We know the founder of Pi is Nicholas, right? So know the people that are in charge of this project, their background, where they studied, where they schooled, other projects they have worked with. Then the community, who are the community, how active is the community? Are the community enthusiastic about the project? Are they very active? And how big is the community? So these are some of the things that you see, okay, if people are talking about it, people are supporting them, and the team is a good team, then that's a good sign that it's a good project. Number four is the technology and the security of the project. So what is the technology of the project, right? Now, some projects are built on some blockchain technologies, right? Like Bitcoin is a blockchain, right? And there are different projects under Bitcoin. Ethereum also, EVM, is a blockchain, and there are different projects under that are built on the Ethereum blockchain. Same for Solana and other blockchain. So what is technology about? Is it a secure technology? Is it proof of work? Is it proof of stake that technology is built on? Right? Is it reliable? Is it fast? Those are some of the things you check. And also the security. How secure is the project? How secure is the technology that is used? The coding, the code of the project. How secure? What are the security measures that the project or the team is taking to ensure safety and security of the assets of the community, of the everybody that owns a piece of the project of the cryptocurrency. So it has to be clearly stated that okay, we are doing this to secure you, we are doing this to make sure you don't lose your assets, we are doing this to make sure it's a safe, we have safe and smooth transactions, and so on and so forth. You don't get scammed. So these are some of the things to check that shows that okay, the team are actually working to ensure a safe and smooth project for the community. So finally, another thing you check is the competition, and check what people are saying about the project. So those are the major things you need to do to research, right? Some of these things you can check them on with some research crypto platforms like crypto rank, right? We have cryptomania, crypto.com, and we have CoinGecko, we have CoinMarketCap. These are some platforms where you can research about coins, check the team, the community, the project, the blockchain, check the investor, and those that are backing the project, right? You check some projects, see that they are backed by Binance Labs, backed by some big names. Just know that they have a good potential to do well. So in case of next time, before you buy a project, before you buy into any project, before you invest your money, follow these steps, do your proper research, proper analysis, right? Join the community and check very well before you invest into the project. And you follow these steps, I'm sure you will be able to remove the scam project, remove the useless project, and identify the good projects among the many thousands of projects we have, and invest wisely. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just for educational purposes, and always do your own research before you invest in any coin. Always do your own research. This video is not a financial advice. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and join my WhatsApp community where we talk about crypto, talk about airdrops. It's free. The link will be in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.